And all of that analysis and what comes out of it is then sent out to the officers. So the idea was, how can you get that information out to the officers in real time? Let them do the analysis. And that's where SafeCop came in. And what SafeCop, and I'll give you just an overview of it because Assistant Chief John Bennett is going to give you a demonstration of it in just a minute. But every officer has it available on their computers. And it is a mapping system where the officers can go to a map and they can look at all the crime in the city, or they can go all the way down to their particular zone of responsibility and all the way down to grids. They can search in that for all past crime. They can do overlays of sexual offenders, habitual offenders, juvenile offenders. They can look at the date, the time, the type of crime, the method of operation. Any of that information they can search through that map. They also can develop bulletins in real time. And in the past, as I said before, information, the officers or detectives would get information that would go through an analysis process, synthesized down, and put out in a bulletin, which could take days to do. Now the officers can do that in real time, and you'll hear a real-time success story of how that has occurred. But that was wonderful as well, the ability to do those bulletins in real time and to search past bulletins. Also, an element of it that has been very, very successful is a blog. In the past, police officers